everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an exciting one because I am testing a lot of things I have purchased off of the Wish app for your iPhone. You probably know what the Wish app is already if you have clicked on this video. The Wish app sells a whole range of things: beauty, cosmetics, clothing, to fake iPhones, fake iPads, and a lot of electronic gear. Just about 2 months ago now, I made a huge order on everything that you can use for your iPhone from the Wish app. And that ranges from really weird accessories to things like pop sockets and iPhone cases. Pretty much everything I ordered I have left in their packages, so today is an unpackaging. I'm going to test out the quality, how they work, and what I think of them. And just before we get into the video, where are you guys watching from? Are you watching from America, Australia, the UK, Ireland? Let me know in the comments down below where you're watching from. Without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to unpackage is why we're all here, and this is a new viral craze that I have seen going everywhere at the moment. I saw it available on Wish and it was only $6, so I thought I would put it in my basket and see how it goes. This very bizarre object is actually a lazy iPhone holder. So basically what it is meant to do is wrap around your neck and you can place your iPhone here and watch it from the comfort of your sofa with hands free. I also have a vlogging channel and I thought it would be hilarious to do some vlogging with my lazy iPhone holder while it's wrapped around my neck, hands free. So let's put it together and see what I think. Okay, so it's super stretchy. I hope I'm doing this right. I'm kind of just moving it around. I didn't actually get any instructions with putting this together. It just came in a clear plastic bag. I mean, I suggest this twists around. This will go round my neck, okay? Oh, I just heard something snap. So I have managed to successfully get the entrapment around my neck. Now what I'm going to do is actually go about and test it in my day-to-day activities. Okay YouTube, so I've managed to put it together and I have it round my neck, and as you can see I have my iPhone placed safely in there. And although this is the worst angle in the entire world to vlog from, I don't think it's too bad. It actually seems quite fun to do it this way. I must say this isn't very practical. It's not actually that comfortable around my neck, but I suppose if I'm lying on the sofa I can always FaceTime a friend without having to hold my phone. What I really wanted to use this for was to watch some YouTube videos from the comfort of my sofa without holding my iPhone. I mean, the only thing I will say is that when you're clicking around and when I'm talking, as you can see, it's really wobbling, but so far so good. And actually it's not too close to my face, so it's kind of comfortable to just sit here like this. This could actually be really useful. Oh, I love the Ace family. Thumbs this video up if you are also the Ace family subscribers, because I really like them. This item is actually another lazy iPhone holder, and I purposely got it in this colour to match my previous iPhone holder. How sad am I? This is supposed to hold your phone in place and then you can lay it wherever you are and your iPhone is propped up while you're watching it. It actually has these hands for support. I assume they will fit around the sides of my iPhone and hold it nice and securely in place. I do have the iPhone Plus, so hopefully this will stretch and be a good enough size to actually hold my iPhone in place. It does not have much give to it, so I am a little concerned it won't stretch enough to hold my iPhone in place, but it is a great concept if you're often lying in bed and you're catching up with your favourite YouTubers or you're watching a bit of Netflix, because I love doing that. So hopefully this will come in really handy. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm testing out is the Lazy iPhone Handheld Leaner, and actually I love this. This is really cool. It fits on the iPhone perfectly. I don't know what I was worrying about, and it holds the phone perfectly, and it's going to be so cool to just have my phone propped up wherever, whenever.
So I didn't have enough time to think about this because, like I said, Ryan is coming super early. We were supposed to.
This is actually so handy. One thing I will say is when the iPhone accessory is around your iPhone, it does kind of cover the home button. So if you still have a home button on your iPhone and you need to use the Touch ID, you kind of have to move it out of the way each time. But other than that, I really don't mind it. I think it's such a cool accessory and I'm definitely going to use it. This accessory was only $1. In my travels in the iPhone section on Wish, I noticed that they sold a lot of pop sockets. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I still have not got myself a pop socket. So I put a few of my favourite pop sockets in my basket and I'm going to open them for you now and see what the quality's like. Here are the pop sockets I ordered. I really like them on first glance. I much prefer these two than I do this. So my favourite pop socket has to be this Space Galactica unicorn pop socket. I really like this. I think it's really cute. Obviously unicorns are life right now, and anything that's kind of space themed and Galactica themed, you guys know I love. I think it's an okay quality. I'm not sure how long it will last on my iPhone, but I'm going to stick it on anyway and just hope it works. Another pop socket I did get is this other Space Galactica one, and this is basically just the universe kind of on the pop socket. Out of all three, I think this one is the best graphics and also the best quality feeling. Another pop socket I got is this watermelon featured one, and I thought this one would be absolutely perfect for the summer holidays. The only thing I will say is this one is really rubbish quality and I'm not sure I actually now want this on my phone. The watermelon colour is very faded colour. It looks like it's just been sitting in the sun and already faded. Okay, I'm so excited about this purchase, I can't even tell you. So this purchase is actually a clip-on camera lens for your iPhone. These give you special visual effects on your camera, so you can get the fisheye effect, the wide lens effect, and basically just give you some really original, different kind of photos. And it has a little clip-on device here and you just pop it over the camera lens of your iPhone. I'm actually super duper excited to test this out and I really hope it comes out good. I could really improve my Instagram game. I got mine in the red colour, which I didn't really think about because it's probably going to clash with my iPhone colour. But let's try it out. Okay guys, I'm just testing out the clip-on lenses for your iPhone. Process is you get the black clip they provide you and you get the lens and you twist the lens onto the black clip. You take your iPhone and you clip the camera lens over. So I'm going to take some photos of my very beautiful planner. Okay, I have just taken some photos with these lenses. They aren't as good as I'd hoped they would be. They're very blurry and as if the actual lens is a really poor quality, which for only $5 it probably is. The only one that kind of showed images was the first lens I used, which is this large fisheye angle lens, and it kind of gave me an image but still nowhere near the quality I wanted. A very poor quality item, but I didn't break the bank buying it. If you don't already know, Wish sell amazing iPhone cases and I've always purchased my cases from Wish, and you're only paying $1 for a really cool, unique, different kind of case. Why not? So these couple of cases are some of my favourite from the Wish iPhone accessories. We have a marble print iPhone case. This is absolutely gorgeous and it's perfect for mirror selfies if you are on Instagram quite a lot. This was actually free. I only paid post and packaging. If you don't already know, iPhone charge separately for post and packaging per item you buy. Next iPhone case I did purchase, and this was only $1, and it's actually a glitter effect unicorn water case, and basically the glitter moves around. I mean, very slowly, but there you go. It's also a really sturdy iPhone case. It kind of grips around the whole sides of your iPhone, so it's constantly protected. Okay, it is my guilty pleasure having a little shop on Wish. You can buy some really dodgy stuff for a really cheap price, but I think it is the risk you take when you're paying so little for so many things. But out of everything I got today, I think I got some really good bits, and absolutely everything was under $10. I barely spent anything on this haul. I did pay separate post and packaging for every single item, so although the items are really cheap, your basket soon adds up when the post and packaging is entered at the end of the shop. I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up because it means the world, and don't forget to subscribe if you are a new viewer, and I will see you next time. Mwah.